Engagement services. Engagement services are of four types: audit, review, other than audit and review, related services. For audit, SA 202, SA 800 is applicable. For review, SRE 2400 series applies. For other than audit and review, SAE 3400 series applies. For related services, SRS 4400 series applies. For audit and review, both are called as assurance engagements. They deal with historical financial statements. Whereas other than audit and review are called as other assurance engagements, for which SAE 3400 series applies. For related services, SRS 4400 series applies. In related services, we will give no assurance. Next, standards list. SQC1, quality control for firms that perform audits and reviews of historical financial information and other assurance and related services engagements. SA 200, overall objectives of the independent auditor and conduct of an audit in accordance with standards on auditing. SA 210, agreeing the terms of audit engagements. SA 220, quality control for an audit of financial statements. SA 230, audit documentation. SA 240, the auditor's responsibilities relating to fraud in an audit of financial statements. SA 250, consideration of laws and regulations in an audit of financial statements. SA 260, communication with those charged with the governance. SA 265, communicating deficiencies in internal control to those charged with the governance and management. SA 299, responsibility of joint auditors or joint audit of financial statements. SA 300, planning and audit of financial statements. SA 315, identifying and assessing the risk of material misstatements through understanding the entity and its environment. SA 320, materiality in planning and performing an audit. SA 330, the auditor's responses to assessed risks. SA 402, the audit considerations relating to an entity using a service organization, SO. SA 450, evaluation of misstatements identified during the audit. SA 500, audit evidence. SA 501, audit evidence, special considerations for selected items. SA 505, external confirmations. SA 510, initial audit engagements, opening balances. SA 520, analytical procedures. SA 530, audit sampling. SA 540, auditing accounting estimates, including fair value accounting estimates and related disclosures. SA 550, related parties. SA 560, subsequent events. SA 570, going concern. SA 580, written representations. SA 600, using the work of another auditor. SA 610, using the work of internal auditors. SA 620, using the work of an auditor's expert. SA 700, forming an opinion and reporting on financial statements. SA 701, communicating key audit matters in the independent auditor's report. SA 705, modifications to the opinion in the independent auditor's report. SA 706, emphasis of matter paragraphs and other matter paragraphs in the independent auditor's report. SA 710, comparative information, corresponding figures and comparative financial statements. SA 720, the auditor's responsibilities relating to other information. SA 800, special considerations, audit of financial statements prepared in accordance with special purpose frameworks. SA 805, special considerations, audit of single financial statements and specific elements, accounts, or items of a financial statements. SA 810, engagements to report on summary financial statements. SRE 2400, engagements to review historical financial statements. SRE 2410, review of interim financial information performed by the independent auditors of the entity. SAE 3400, the examination of prospective financial information. SAE 3402, assurance reports on controls at a service organization, SO. SAE 3420, assurance engagements to report on the compilation of pro forma financial information included in a prospectus. SRS 4400, engagements to perform agreed upon procedures regarding financial information. SRS 4410, compilation engagements.